Welcome to our deep dive into digital marketing GPT, the future of digital marketing strategy. Whether you're a growing business or an aspiring creator, this video is your gateway to mastering digital marketing. Introduction to Digital Marketing GPT. What is Digital Marketing GPT? Imagine a digital marketing wizard, a specialized branch of ChatGPT designed to revolutionize your online presence. This isn't just about throwing jargon, it's about making real connections with your audience through tailored strategies. From small-scale startups to independent content creators, it's the bridge between traditional marketing concepts and the digital era's demands capabilities of Digital Marketing GPT. Now, let's explore what Digital Marketing GPT offers. Picture a vast toolbox, each tool crafted to enhance a specific aspect of your digital marketing journey. From creating viral-worthy social media content to unraveling the mysteries of SEO, this tool is your personal marketing consultant. It's not just about getting your message out there, it's about ensuring it resonates and converts. Tailoring your email marketing campaigns for maximum impact, navigating the complexities of digital advertising, all of these are within reach. The power of Digital Marketing GPT lies in its versatility and depth, offering solutions that cater to every facet of your online strategy. Problem solved by digital marketing. GPT, facing digital marketing hurdles. Digital Marketing GPT is here to clear the path. Whether you're grappling with a limited marketing budget, trying to make sense of social media algorithms, or seeking ways to boost online visibility, this tool has a solution. It's like having a seasoned marketing expert by your side, helping you navigate through the complexities of the digital world with ease. From optimizing content to reach the right audience, to using analytics to drive decisions, every step is geared towards maximizing your digital potential. It's about transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. Niche markets benefiting from Digital Marketing GPT. No matter your niche, Digital Marketing GPT has a strategy for you. It's a chameleon, adapting to the unique needs of various sectors. Local businesses, e-commerce giants, non-profits, and even individual artists. Each finds a tailored approach to amplify their digital presence. Imagine local SEO tactics bringing foot traffic to your store, or social media campaigns that turn followers into brand ambassadors for your e-commerce platform. It's about real-life case studies. Let's delve into real-life triumphs with Digital Marketing GPT. For example, a snowbike business that reached new heights with an SEO strategy leading to incredible revenue growth, or Royce Chocolate, which sweetened its sales with a successful PPC campaign. And there's Fox Cities Real Estate, transforming their advertising strategy into tangible conversions. Embrace the power of Digital Marketing GPT and transform your business today. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the landscape of digital marketing. Remember, the digital world is always evolving, and so are the ways to succeed in it.